पे. That was super cool. Congratulations on this super release जो कि कल anyway it's gonna be a blockbuster. What do you have to say? You know, I've heard that Allu sir and Sukumar sir, they kind of ganged up on you because they worked previously together. So कुछ था?
Extremely sweet.
Give us
I
some,
didn't feel like I
give us
was
some
working-
masala, please.
मसाला नहीं है.
ठीक है फिर please
कुछ
बता
मसाला
दीजिए.
नहीं.
Tell us some good things about these individuals, please.
Good things है बहुत. But first of all, before that, hi everybody. पहली बार बॉम्बे आके हमारा फिल्म प्रमोट कर रहे हैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. अच्छा लगा पता है यार. एक्साइटेड हूँ. बहुत खुश भी. हाँ उत्सुक हूँ. ఓకే లేదండి తెలుగు ఇట్లా చెప్పకండి. लेकिन मैं अभी बहुत ही खुश हूँ. हाँ सबटाइटल्स
She's
में
very happy being here. She's very excited for the release of the movie. अच्छा हिंदी था क्या? सर अंग्रेजी? जी.
No, but coming to, I think, working in Pushpa, I think I've been blessed to do a film like this. मैं देख रही हूँ कि how people here love Arjun sir. It's an extremely happy moment for me because I'm celebrating his success as my own because I feel so personal with him. But I think I'm super happy. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I don't know, as in, I don't know how, I think, huh? Telugu? ఏంద్రా బాబు మీరు చెప్పండి. తెలుగు కావాలా, హిందీ కావాలా, ఇంగ్లీష్ కావాలా, ఏది చెప్పండి. దగ్గరలే అది సార్ చెప్పాలిగా. మనం ఇద్దరు ఓకే సరే అయితే 17th कल से हमारा मास तగ్గేదేలే. Thank you.
Thank you so much. How was it when you were told about this movie for the first time? Like narration जब हुआ था, so what was going through आपके दिमाग में?
I think I'll tell you one secret.
Please.
I think none of us knew what we were getting into. I think it is such a beautifully done film that I had absolutely no idea. As in, I had like basic idea maybe, but I didn't know what I was getting into.
Right.
So it was all sort of magic what happened. This is the only film in my whole career that I've done without knowing what I was getting into. But but that's how special it is. That's how magical it was. And I think that's when all of us sort of blended together and got done with Pushpa.
Amazing, no? Pushpa. ऐसा करके.
ऐसा हाँ
It's just
करना है.
one day to go.
ये क्या है?
One day to go.
One day.
डांट नहीं है मुझे. मैं सर से पूछूंगा कितना डाटा उनको. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. And now, ladies and gentlemen, sir, कुछ कह रहे थे आप?
I want to say something about. Can I say something? Okay. No, there's one thing before Allu Arjun comes on stage. I just wanted to say because Sir said what kind of records his movies broke, and like he said, now because I'm since I have seen the movie multiple number of times doing the background score, I can tell you one thing for sure. This movie, compared to all other Allu Arjun's movies, this is another league. The way he has taken the film on his shoulders and the way he has performed and the way he has gotten into the character, I think you're going to fall in. I know you're already in love with Allu Arjun, but now you're going to fall, like they say, head over heels again, right? All over again. So you're going to fall in love with Allu Arjun for sure once again. And I also would like to say that our director, Sukumar sir, he has written something that is unimaginable. And you're going to love the film from frame to frame, dialogue to dialogue. Thank you, Sukubai. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful film to all of us. And there's one fight sequence which is going to just blow your minds off the way Allu performed in that and the way Suku made it. And Suku and Allu have created magic. Just trust me. Just be in theaters tomorrow. And Not we saying it, not him saying it. You're all going to say, Taggedele, after watching it.
That was something. Sir, क्या था last में?
Yeah, okay, you say, I'll say. Yeah, because you also have beard, na? Daddy hai aapko. So, ऐसा करेंगे. From right to left, okay? Like a boat, like that, okay? Taggedele. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Taggedele.
सही है अभी तो मेरा भी कुछ हो रहा है यहाँ पे and now ladies and gentlemen it's time to invite on stage the icon star 5 Filmfare Awards 3 Nandi Awards and a national award जो कि आने वाला है let me tell you that give it up for So welcome to Mumbai sir welcome to this part of the planet
Sajjana Maje Namaskara.
and as I was asking the lady over here sir you've already worked with Sukumar sir इससे पहले you've collaborated with him कितना gang up किया उनके ऊपर like did you bully her or not please say yes sir
No, she is the sweetheart of the set.
and did she throw any tantrums या कुछ ऐसा sir
नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता.
not at all
First of all, good afternoon, everybody. Thank you. I'd like to thank the entire media for being here and taking this event to the hearts of the people. Thank you very much. And it's an absolute delight to address to the national media for the first time in my life. It's a great moment for me. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm pretty positive that I will keep seeing you a lot more in the future. Thank you.
That's so nice of you, sir. That's so nice of you. A brilliant human being, a wonderful dancer, brilliant actor. So, what is that one thing that you see in a movie before signing, a movie? What is that one?
The
special-
intention. The intention on what you're doing the film for. Are you doing it for the money? Are you doing it for the release? Or are you doing it for the audience? The intention is above all.
Unfortunately, sir, because of the unfortunate circumstances, this took a lot of time.
Absolutely.
बहुत वक्त लग गया. What do you have to say on that, sir?
It's a very difficult film to shoot. We were shooting this film in a forest, and we were a crew of almost 500 people.
Right.
And the logistics to provide 500 people food, accommodation, sanitation, all this was very, very difficult in a remote forest area.
Right.
So it is a very difficult film to shoot, especially during the COVID times with so many COVID restrictions. I think I said it earlier also, this one Pushpa film was equal to 4 films effort. Yeah, thank you.
And the entire crew, the entire team has done a wonderful job, sir. The response says it all. Can we all make some noise? थोड़ा और हल्ला कर सकते हैं, sir?
Thank you.
Pushpa is already a blockbuster, sir. So,
చెప్తా पुष्पराज झुकेगा नहीं.
give it up for Pushpa, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, sir. Please have a seat.
Last.
We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll have a quick photo op
Today
with the cast.
The Hindi media will finish that.
Quickly. We'll just do one. No, bet if you want right now, or we'll just go आगे. First two. Sir, please. Yes. And before we do the Q&A, sir would like to address each one of you here.
First of all, I'd like to thank the audience all over the north for receiving South films and making it so big. बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you. हमको बहुत प्यार दिया है सब लोग. इसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much. Thank you. और भी प्यार चाहिए हमको. Thank you. I will try to speak a little Hindi, but there will be definitely a lot of, because I'm a Madrasi, there will be a lot of accent, but still, I'll try to speak in Hindi if I can. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Not just about watching South films in the north, we equally also admire Bollywood, Hindi cinema. We've always been admiring it for years, for many years. We also invite Hindi cinema to dub into our languages and come, and we will be there to support your films also. It is not about South cinema or North cinema. It's about Indian cinema. I think we all will grow together as the biggest cinema in the world in the years to come as Indian cinema. Thank you.
So I'd like to ask you a question related to that. Before a pan-India Hindi release, you're already a superstar in the northern region and across the country, across the world. What do you have to say on that? Because a lot of Hindi-speaking people, they look up to you. You are their icon star. So
It's absolutely fortunate to be loved in another language because I did not speak that language, nor did I cater, for that particular language in particular. We were making a Telugu film, and it so happened that that film got dubbed in Hindi, and it was received with amazing love. And as we keep growing now that so many people are watching it, we want to give you the best quality film possible. People are showing so much love from all over, from the north, from above, from other places, even small trickles from overseas. For everybody who's been showing so much love for so many years. Bhai aur behno, thank you so much. Thank you. Itne pyar diya hai sab love. Thank you. Maybe. Thank you.
language has no barrier when it comes to entertainment. जैसा मनीष शाह साहब से भी बात हो रही थी हमारी. So yes, over to you, sir.
First of
आ
all,
जाइए.
your center?
Rahul, I'll come to you. एक second.
Uh,
I'll come to you.
Allu Arjun, sir, Allu Arjun Garu, Mas Garu, Sarai Naidu, Son of Satyamurthy, July, Res Guram, and now Pushpa. So too good. Welcome everybody to
Thank you.
Mumbai. Sir, I would like to start with you, first of all. This is coming definitely the biggest Telugu film of the year and your biggest film till now probably. It is coming one day after Spider-Man No Way Home, which is also at insane levels of booking. So what is your take on the competition? What is your take on the box office clash? What do you feel about that? We would like your thoughts.
The box office part, I'll ask Manish ji to answer that and then I'll answer it.
Yeah, both of you.
Okay. Content has no language. And we have proved time and again that South movies have worked. This is the biggest South movie which is coming along. And I'm damn confident it will do wonders at box office. I now pass on the mic to Allu sir.
Allu Arjun, sir, your take.
Sir, I think we should be very graceful. The Hindi audience have been very graceful to South cinema. That's why South cinema could penetrate. As a South, I'm saying that, we're very gracefully, inviting Hindi cinema to come into the North. Same way, I think we should be very graceful in inviting over English films over to a country. And that's when they will also be very gracefully opening up, our languages to open in their country. So I think we should have a mutual respect for each other in each other's languages. And in films, I don't think language is a barrier. And we're in a situation right now, today in India, that India or the world over, that entire cinema, the culture of people coming to cinema has stopped. I'm not looking at one Pushpa or another one film. I'm looking at it as Indian cinema, and cinema should win. Not just Indian cinema, world cinema, overall, the culture of people coming to the theaters has gone down. I think Spider-Man should get people back into the theaters. I think Pushpa should get Indian people back into the theaters. It's about, celebrating cinema back again. So I think collectively we should support each other, and I support them, and I wish them all the best for tomorrow.
So one more. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself.
And also, the next week, there are other big films coming in Mumbai. For 83, we have Mr. Ranveer Singh's and Kabir Khan sir's film that's releasing. I wish them all the best. I hope you get people back into the theaters. And now that I'm in Hindi media, I'd like to once again congratulate Suryavamshi for being a big success and getting people back into the theaters. I am more bothered about cinema right now than just Pushpa alone by itself. Thank you.
Very well said, sir. Sir, your word, like...
And how much money he does, I think you should ask Manish, sir.
that is no doubt. Sir, you've always been a pan-India star. There is no doubt about that. By the way,
Really?
yes.
I've never done a Hindi film also.
But that's your aura. Without doing a Hindi film, you've already been a pan-India star. But now, theatrically, this is the first time in spite of your movies working so well on satellite, working so well online, theatrically, this is the first time your pan-India film coming. So henceforth, like you have Icon releasing, there is Icon, and there's probably a Koratala Seva movie also. Henceforth, is every Allu Arjun movie going to be a pan-India film? I mean, there is no doubt about it, there is no option.
Preferably, I'd like to make it everything pan-India, because not just about pan-India. I'm saying, why are you even restricting to that? You know, maybe somebody else wants to watch it. Somebody, you know, people in other countries, maybe Sri Lanka, neighboring countries, Pakistan, other countries want to watch it. We don't know. You know, language is no barrier for cinema. So I think we should just go for, I would say more than pan-India, I would say we should go for a multi-language release and see how far we can go as Indian cinema.
Thank you, sir.
योर सेंटर रश्मिका अल्लू अर्जुन सर, आप दोनों से सवाल है मेरा, राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। योर सेंटर टाइटल बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग है, ट्रेलर भी काफ़ी प्रॉमिसिंग है। ऑल द बेस्ट आप लोगों को मूवीज़ के लिए। और टाइटल पुष्पा नाम सुन के एक ही चीज़ जहन में आती है, वो आइकॉनिक डायलॉग राजेश खन्ना सर की, पुष्पा आई हेट टीयर्स, तुम्हारी आंखों में आंसू नहीं देख सकते। तो क्या आप लोग आप दोनों हिंदी मूवीज़ लवर किस तरह के रहे हैं? आप लोग हिंदी मूवी एज एन ऑडियंस आप देखते थे हिंदी मूवीज़, आप दोनों?
Yeah, yaar. I used to watch so many Hindi films. What are you saying?
किस तरह की मूवीज़ आप देखना पसंद करते हैं? राजेश खन्ना सर की मूवी देखें आप?
As in, we used to. I was an audience before entering to the industry. I'm going to the theater, watching the happening films, coming back, and also I was in the hostel. So for us, the movies not of our choice, but of our school choices were played. So we had no other options but to watch the films that they played. But yes, now that I'm in the industry, I think I'm watching a lot more films, lot more technically and a lot more personally. But yeah, could say balanced, managed watching enough films.
So from childhood, we always watch a lot of obviously because I'm multicultural, multi-language, multicultural person from the south. I was born in Tamil Nadu, raised in Hyderabad, born and raised in Chennai, and then moved to Hyderabad. So I know Tamil, Telugu. We grew up watching Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada films. And as we entered into films, we also started watching Maratha films, Bengali films, Hindi cinema. You know, Hindi cinema has definitely played a huge impact on us. Like time and again, just like how you always watch movies, even we grew up watching all these movies. So it's a part of our life. And of course, we watch Hindi, all movies. Of course, Hindi cinema. And I personally adore Hindi cinema a lot.
एलू जी, अभी अभी आपने कहा कि आप जो बॉलीवुड है उसको साउथ में वेलकम करते हैं, तो ऐसा कौन सा एक्टर है और ऐसी कौन सी मूवी है बॉलीवुड की जिसका रीमेक बने और आप उसमें काम करना चाहते हो?
माफ करना, मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा। मेरा हिंदी अच्छा नहीं है,
नहीं, आप
फिर भी मैं
इंग्लिश में
कोशिश करूंगा। पता है कि मेरा हिंदी में एक्सेंट है, साउथ एक्सेंट है, फिर भी मैं कोशिश करके आपको हिंदी में ही बात करूंगा। मैडम जी, सब एक्टर्स आ सकते हैं, इतने टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स हैं हिंदी सिनेमा में, यू नो द होल ऑफ नेशनल सिनेमा में, सब लोग आ सकते हैं उस पिक्चर्स लेके, हाँ, साउथ में आके प्रमोट करके, डब करके, सब एक्टर्स दे ऑल डू फेनोमिनल। ईच जॉनर में बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स करते हैं सब लोग, हम सबको स्वागत करते हैं।
नहीं, आप पर्सनली अगर आपको करना हो तो आप कौन से एक्टर की और कौन सी बॉलीवुड की फिल्म का रीमेक करना चाहेंगे?
रीमेक?
यू पर्सनली?
मैं अब तक रीमेक नहीं किया मैडम, मुझे डर लगता है कि मुझे डर लगता है थोड़ा रीमेक करने में, अब तक नहीं किया। मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, अब तक नहीं किया, और मुझे थोड़ा डर भी है करने के लिए, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा रीमेक्स के से थोड़ा दूर रहता हूँ।
अल्लू अर्जुन जी, मेरा नाम आरती सक्सेना है। मैं भी हिंदी में ही पूछूंगी कि मतलब मैंने ऐसे पूछा कि अल्लू अर्जुन एक्टर साउथ के एक्टर है, तो मुझे किसी ने कहा कि वो साउथ के सलमान खान है। तो मुझे ये जानना था कि सलमान खान आपको कितने पसंद है और बॉलीवुड का कौन सा एक्टर है जो आपको इंस्पायर करता है सबसे ज़्यादा?
मैडम, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अमिताभ जी इंस्पायर करता है, क्योंकि लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ करियर है ना, from so many years. I'll say this in English to be a little more comfortable.
It's okay, yeah.
I absolutely adore the megastar of the country, Amitabh ji. Because we've grown up, watching his films and everything. He's got a lot of impact on us in the growing years. So in one word, if I have to say, I'll say I'm a huge ardent fan of Amitabh Ji. And even till date, at the age, such a big age also, I keep thinking, even if I get really old, I should still be acting like how gracefully Amitabh Ji is doing it. In a way, that's what I keep thinking. If you're 60, 70, 80, you should still you should work as beautifully as Amitabh Ji does.
और आपने बोला कि ये फिल्म करने में आपको 4 फिल्मों के जितना मतलब मेहनत करनी पड़ी, तो सबसे टफ क्या था पुष्पा में?
She'll tell which part was tough for her, and then I'll tell.
No, sir, the fights and all you guys have done. I think for us, going to the location, वो location या वो climate changes और forest में shoot करना पड़ा. So I think all of that, got a lot from all the crew members and the cast. I think also the producers who made all this effort, we actually had to lay a road to go to the location. It was that hard, so it was crazy. And I think, like Sir said, we've done the hard work of 4 films in one. And I think we're going to see the results tomorrow, so I'm waiting.
Madam, in a way, we are very fortunate because the top crew is always given a little extra privileges. I'd like to, once again thank the entire crew in every department, the art department, the lighting department, the production department, the drivers' unions, and they have actually given most efforts for this film. If I forgot, forgive me if I've forgotten any other department, but every department has given their best because on shoot, there are around 500 to 600 people working for the film. So once again, I want to thank all the departments for putting their heart and soul and, working more hard than us for this film. Thank you.
Rashmika, this side.
Hi.
Hello. You look so pretty and beautiful.
Thank
Yet you
you.
portrayed the character. It is a deglammed character.
Yes.
So did you have any inhibitions?
Inhibitions, no. I think I had no inhibitions when it came to, I knew I was playing a different character. I knew that I had to pour my heart, soul, sweat, everything into this character because this is, like I keep saying, this is a whole different world that we're entering. And when, actors like Sir's doing such hard work and, I'm getting this opportunity to, work with Sir, I can't have inhibitions and be like, oh my God, do I look pretty? Do I look that? Do I look this? I have to worry about the performance. I'm like, am I doing a good job? Am I doing that? Is it coming through? Is this character staying strong? What is happening? So for me, it was all about performance in this film. And I think once the audience see it on the 17th, I think it'll come through and please give us your reviews.
Allu Arjun?
And ma'am, to second that, I'd like to speak about how Rashmika performed and what is it. I truly appreciate Rashmika ji for performing like this and taking up such a challenging role. It is a little rustic role and it's not a very conventional, glamorous role. It is quite challenging and like you said, I was fearing would she feel that she's not looking good because that is a very huge factor that plays on the mind and if your mind is not clear, your performance will not be clear. But then after she landed on the set and she started working, I think she had the mindset that this film is this and we have to justify this film. And she did a wonderful performance and I couldn't have performed if not for her help because every artist should compliment you for your performance. She performed so well that it was very, very comforting and it was very complimenting to work with such a wonderful artist. Tomorrow, I'm sure you all will appreciate her performance. She can't speak for herself, but I can definitely speak for her because I've seen her perform in front of my eyes. Thank
And
you.
the song that we just witnessed, you performed exactly like a stone man guy, yet you looked so sexy.
Thank you.
So,
Really, do I?
Yeah, of course. And I was just going to ask you, after that I'll ask you, I mean, you look so handsome and
looks
good
is not
hunk.
my
Why
thing.
don't you do a romantic role also?
My previous film was a romantic role.
Okay, coming back to the song, I was asked, the gestures that you did, reminded me of so much of Rajni sir, that small nuances. So will there be a comparison with the Thalaiva?
Ma'am, more than comparison, I'll say it's more of an influence because I was born, brought up from Chennai. So obviously I have a lot of subconscious absorption from big superstars like Rajni sir, like Kamal sir. You know, that's why if you see I'm very like if you notice that, then then I came to Hyderabad. Mr. Chiranjeevi Garu is my own uncle. You know, when I see him, he dances really well, and there are his nuances. So I think, you know, subconsciously when you work, as a child, when you grow up seeing these people, you absorb them, and they're there subconsciously in your mind. Not that I very consciously want to do it. If it came across like that also, I don't have an issue. And I think it's maybe you can say maybe it's a tribute for them, in a way. My respects for them in a way.
Recently, the government has, you know, introduced about the tickets. So will that affect big films? Nonetheless, it will be very good for the audiences, you know. They'll get to see
No,
big
ma'am,
films.
everything has been sorted. Nothing of that sort now. Everything is going in a positive way all over. You know, cinemas, people have been coming back to the theaters. Movies have been coming out. Every languages has been opening up. Maybe except for Kerala, there's 100% occupancies in every place, and there are multiple. And the government is also supporting the films, and I'd like to thank all the governments from all over the country for supporting Indian cinema. Thank you so much.
Lastly, your question இருக்குது. You also turned producer. So, are you producing independently, or will you be producing with
Ma'am, I'm
dad?
a son of a producer, so I came in as I was born producer,
Dad,
then turned actor.
with dad, I mean.
My father is a producer, so I'm a producer. I'm a born producer turned actor, maybe.
Hi, Alu sir, over here, Himesh this side. Firstly, congratulations, the film looks very interesting.
Alright, it's releasing tomorrow. Say all the best.
And all the best, of course.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you.
I have two questions for you. First one, if I'm not wrong, Pushpa was initially conceptualized as a one-part film, and then through the shoot, you decided on making a second part as well. Could you tell us something on the idea of spinning it into two parts, and what's the status on second part at the moment?
Absolutely. I'd like also Devi to speak 2 words about it, then also I'll speak.
Okay. Okay. See, the story of this film, Pushpa, when Suku sir narrated to us, it's a very intense one. And there are a lot of interesting elements and a lot of detailed writing that went into this film. So when Suku sir narrated itself, I was thinking, how are they going to accommodate the whole of this into one film was one thing that we all thought, because everything was interesting. So when writing gets so interesting, then we don't feel like deleting anything, right? So then they came up with this idea of 2 parts, and then I was the first one, because even before it was announced, Suku sir called and said, Devi, we're going to do like this. And I was the one who jumped like up with joy and said, okay, now you're doing justice to this film, because every scene that these guys conceived was so interesting. So I think this film deserves to be released in 2 parts, and you will all love it in 2 parts.
So when Sukumar sir told me the film, when he narrated itself, I felt it is like a 4-hour film. I said, how will we make this 4-hour film into a 3-hour film? He said, let's just somehow compress it in the process. And when we started shooting the film, it started decompressing even more. It started getting longer. And by the time we cut the first half itself, it's a very huge film. So it was very clear, you know, in the process of making the film itself, the film is very clearly telling you, boss, I cannot be made in 1 part. You know, it's asking for 2. So generally, we always listen to the film. You know, the content always tells you something. You should just be open to listen to it. So it was saying that it needs 2 parts, and I think we respected that.
And what's the status of the second part as we speak?
Tomorrow part 1 is releasing, and then part 2. Na? Let's save it for a surprise, because I think it'll be even more interesting to answer that question tomorrow once the film is out and how the part 1 ends, right?
Yeah.
You know, as a prelude to that, then I can speak.
And Alu sir, you are a fantastic actor, and that aside, another factor which has got you that pan-India recognition is your dancing. All your songs are huge hits on YouTube, even in Hindi belts.
Thank you.
Can we expect you, like, are you looking to do a pan-India dance-based film with, you know, worlds of Bollywood, one Bollywood dance actor and dancer coming together with you? That is one genre which everyone would want to see. And with whom?
Honestly, dance genre film, I don't know. I've never thought about it, to be very honest. I've never thought about it. I genuinely think, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, I think dance is more enjoyed when it's a part of the film than it being the whole emotion of the film. For me, because cinema is about emotion. Dance is just a part of entertainment. In certain films, like you said, dance film, dance becomes a part of, is the main part of the emotion. But for me, I personally like cinema, the emotion of a cinema, and then small pieces of dance in it. So that's my take. On doing a whole dance film, I personally think I'm not very much for it somewhere. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and best of luck for the release.
Thank you. I need a lot of luck. Thank you.
Hi, sir. So